Welcome, YouTube-vidente. You are very valuable and I'd like to have you here. Thank you very much for supporting our S.O.S channel. This video is part of a playlist I put together to showcase how to install scientific open source tools for free. Si habilitas los subtítulos de YouTube, también podrás disfrutar de nuestro contenido. Without further ado, let's enjoy this experience together.
Hello. Welcome again. Remember that subscribing to this learning channel is completely free. I am Remy, a Microsoft AI text-to-speech assistant. Let's begin our journey to consistently install scientific open source tools for free. In this video, I will guide you through the process of installing R, a free statistical and data science software with applications to many other areas. It is worth learning how to use R. To start, please use the Windows key E shortcut to launch Windows File Explorer. Scroll down to the bottom of the left pane. Double-click this PC and then click Windows C. I recommend to follow exactly the rest of these instructions. We need to create a folder named S.O.S. Use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Control-N. Type S.O.S. and press Enter. Open your brand new Windows C S.O.S. folder. Here we need a subfolder called Downloads. On your keyboard, press Shift-Control-N. Type Downloads and press Enter. Now, we need a space to store all your future work. Navigate to Windows C Users. Locate your user folder. For example, on this PC it is named SOSTA. Double-click your user folder to open it. Press Shift-Control-N. Type Workspace and press Enter. Open your favorite browser. Click inside the search box and type Download R for Windows. Press Enter. Click the hyperlink for the most recent R release, for example, R443 for Windows. Click the link for the most recent release. For example, download R443 for Windows. The download toolbox pops up to ask you what to do next. Click Save As. If your browser is using a default downloads location, your installer file will be downloaded there. Navigate to Windows C S.O.S. Downloads. Then click Save. You are now ready to start the R installation. Go to Windows File Explorer. Navigate to your Windows C S.O.S. Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file. For example, R443 If asked, click Yes to allow the installer application to make changes to your device. Here, it is highly recommended that you select English. Then click OK. To accept the terms and conditions from the provider, click Next. I recommend to avoid using the Program Files folder to store S.O.S. tools. Click Browse to look for another folder. Navigate to C S.O.S. to designate a different folder. For example, C.S.O.S. R443. Click Next. Check all selected components. Then click Next. No customization is needed here, so click Next. Uncheck the box for Don't create a Start menu folder. Then click Next. Uncheck the box for Save version number in Registry and click Next. Click Finish to close the installation wizard. This concludes a standard installation of R, and you may stop here. But I recommend looking at a few other customizations recommended by James. So bear with me for a couple of minutes, please. Whenever R is launched on your PC, the code within a file called our profile site is run. This is essential for you to always make sure some of the things you need are executed when R is started. Navigate to Windows C S.O.S and double-click your R release folder. For example, R443. Double-click the etc folder. Hover over the rprofile.site file. Right-click your mouse and select a program that allows editing text files. For example, WordPad. You may click on Always to make sure your favorite text editor is used whenever a .site file is opened. By default, WordPad wraps down long lines of text. To avoid this, expand the Word Wrap drop-down menu and select No Wrap. Press Ctrl-A to select all default text. This is a preview of the few things James likes to get when the R software is initialized. You are welcome to pause the video here. Go to the description section. There you can find sample code you may include in your R profile site file. Select the lines of code and use the Ctrl-C keyboard shortcut to copy. Go back to the text editor and press Ctrl-V to paste. Click the X button to close the editor. Then click the Save button. Click Yes to allow saving your .site file as text-only format. Congratulations, you are done. If you enjoyed the experience, please click the like button, scroll down to the comment section and leave your feedback. Remember that you do not have to pay to subscribe to this channel. It is a simple way to reward James for sharing his skills. You are amazing, and I will see you in the next one.